So what is up guys? Today is day 32 of Project Dream Life, and today I just want to share to you the actual transformation of our portfolio, the actual comparison between the first portfolio and the second one, which is yung second one natin is guided na tayo ng insights and feedback from tenured virtual assistant sa industry ng pagpi-freelance. So let's see guys kung nag-improve ba. So ayan, as you can see guys, ito yung una kong gawa. It's on the left side of your screen, and yung bago nating gawa is nandito sa right side ninyo. Makikita ninyo dyan yung mas organized, mas casual na way para ipakilala yung sarili ko and mas ipakilala yung expertise natin. So, ayun lang naman. Ginawa ko siya for almost 7 hours ko siyang ginawa from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Tapos pagising ko around 9, ginawa ko siya until 12. So, hindi pa siya tapos. May mga plugins pa tayo nagagawin para ma-direct. So, pagka nag-click sila sa contact us, so lalagyan natin yung email natin or yung mga social media accounts natin. Ililink lang naman natin basically. So, and isa pa, gagamit tayo ng Calendly para makapag-book yung mga client natin na makikita yung portfolio natin is basically makakapag-book na sila meeting sa atin. So, yun. Hopefully, makapag-attract pa to ng maraming clients and mag-open ng more opportunities sa pagiging virtual assistant natin, funnel designer. So, yun lang. Tulad ng sinabi ko kahapon, yun, guys. Napakahalaga ng feedback. So, it's for our betterment din. Huwag tayong magdadalawang isip na tumanggap ng feedback from people na alam naman natin, trusted, and talagang galing doon sa larangan na yun. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo. That is all. Thank you for watching. Follow for day 33.